Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel AJ FBA in conjunction with Deal Hunters. Deal Hunters is the fastest growing community where you can get FBA deals, takes away all the stress, all the hassle of having to source any deals. You get profitable deals that are guaranteed to sell well. So again, check out the links below, but that is the promo to the side for now. HMRC was our first video in the 7-part series. We talked about being a sole trader. We talked about potentially just going down the route of limited company. We then went on the second. That episode was talking about banks. Should you set up a personal bank account or a business bank account? The pros and cons to doing both and what we recommend. Then we talked about the boxes, what the type of things you need to get in preparation before setting up a Seller Central account, before even shipping in a product, the things that you need that you can go buy straight away, boxes, bubble wrap, things like that. Then we talked about toolkit, Buybot Pro, Profitable, Seller Amp, AMZ Scout. These are kind of apps that will help you source the best products possible. We've talked about the reasoning and how the different stages of your process, what you should be upgrading to and what you should be looking to inspire, spend money, to make money, inventory management, and all these tools like Profit Protector Pro that can help you manage your inventory and make you more money. It is all about investing in your business. Then in the last video, part 5, we did an introduction to Seller Central, sections that I bookmarked, the key things that you'll use on the daily. These are the most important things. Seller Central is very confusing, but those are the key areas that will at least help you get up and running and become more familiar with it over time. This video now is part 6, and in part 6 we're going to be talking about packing a parcel. We've done all the previous 5 steps. You now have sourced products. And again, if you're struggling with how to source products, you haven't told me that, but we have. The channel is generally all about sourcing products. Go in and check out all the other videos to help you and show you the guides. There's plenty there, and there will be plenty more coming over the coming months. Toolkits that we talked about previously will help you be able to do that. Watch all their videos, watch all their guides, watch all our videos. You'll pick the sourcing side of things up, and the wholesale and private label we will talk about in different videos. This is just about retail and online arbitrage, getting you set up and understanding this business. So I'm assuming you've got products, you're good to go, you've done all the previous steps. This is about now sending your parcel and unpacking your parcel. Now, thankfully, conveniently, I have done 2 previous videos. So the first video I want to show you is this, how to list a product on Amazon 2022 Q4. So that is a complete walkthrough of everything. Highly recommend going and watch that if you're struggling with this whole idea. I talk about the whole process on Seller Central, and again, that's why in the last video we didn't talk too much about all the different features in Seller Central, because all the information is there. I'm trying my best to make this simple and concise, but if you need further information, that is there, and I will link that at the end of this video and in the description down below for you to watch. That's a quick summary of that video, but go in and watch the rest of that for more detail. Now you've got the products all sort of setting up. What I do then is I start packing it. In this video here, we'll tell you all about it. This is how to ship in your first shipment. Forgive the goatee. Don't know what I was thinking there. I thought at the time it did well, but so yes, this is the video that you'll want to watch about the different types of storage. We talk about storage, we talk about tricks and tips. You can go through and watch this. We're labeling, we're packing up. Gives you the whole idea of me doing it. But there'll be plenty more videos in more detail. I just wanted to pretty much make this 7-part series. This is a step that you have to know about. You have to understand how to put it all on Amazon's website. You have to understand the tricks and tips to be able to pack up and be the most efficient with your boxing and your parcels. Some things that I will add to this that I didn't talk about in that video is, instead of dropping the box off into the store, perhaps that's inconvenient for you, or it's quite far away. And like I said in that video, I was talking about, I always did it because it's right beside my daughter's school, so it made sense for me. But a lot of people that might have to drive out of their way to go to their warehouses, it wouldn't make fundamental sense for the time. Again, coming back to the other videos where I talked about time, spending money to make money, it wouldn't make sense for you to drive 45 minutes round trip and the diesel cost when you could pay £1 or £2 for DPD to come collect your parcel. So you do have to think about that with your shipping. Then again, you can use a fulfillment center. I did roughly talk about the fulfillment centers in that. You've got to think about their time and effort. Again, the quantum that you're dealing with, is it worth moving, taking that step to perhaps a fulfillment center or even a hybrid? It doesn't have to be everything that goes to a fulfillment center. It could be different products, because your retail arbitrage, it might make more sense for you to do that, but the online stuff perhaps ship to your fulfillment center. There's so many things to grow with, but again, this is assuming you're a complete beginner or very much only new to the Amazon journey. So for you, the tips are very simple and concise. Get your products, list them, try to pack a box, at least 1 decent box a week, and you will start to see 3-4 months later how this is starting to snowball. 3, £400-500 a month. You will not be a multi-millionaire unless you're investing as much money and time into this business as possible. But I can assure you, if you do these steps and you can pack 1 box a week through retail and online arbitrage, within a few months you will guarantee to be making £300 to £400 if you're following the steps. Or better yet, if you just have the money, buy all the deals that we provide in Deal Hunters. You could expedite this whole process of setting this up. You could be making £6,000, £7,000, £8,000, £9,000 more a month by just buying, being consistent, doing the steps, compounding it, and letting the thing naturally grow, and also always trying to continuously learn. Once you get to a certain point, you've got good products, start to think about replenishing those products. How am I going to source them better? Constantly keep growing. Do not get stale and get stuck in the moment. That is the biggest tip that I could probably give. Just keep trying to grow, keep the contacts going, always looking for the next step, wholesale, private label, whatever it is. What can I do now to start thinking and achieving that? I was having a conversation with one of our members the other day about replenishing stock. When I started my Amazon FBA journey, I made sure to think about shipping in items that I knew I could easily replenish. Again, at the start, get as much exposure to as many products, to many quantities, and just get as involved in it as much as you can. But after a few months, definitely start thinking, can I replenish this product? The website that I'm using, can I go back onto that website and buy this product again with decent quantity? Not one, not two, not boots, cancelling my order because I bought too many. Can I go on and use these websites consistently? And another tip is to sign up for alerts for inventory refills, or even better yet, sign up to their discounts when they're doing the sales. 20% off everything. That's when you load up on all the products, keep it batched into the house, ship in some, and phase in the money. The next sale comes up, you reload up. So in my house, at the start of that video, you see I have a large garage. In that large garage, I keep a lot of inventory. Whatever's not in the fulfillment centers, I keep in the house, and I just naturally refill. Don't have to think about it. Autopilot. It just comes up. Sale. I get the stuff in from a sale, I leave it in the garage, and I just slowly phase it into Amazon's warehouses, and it just ticks over nicely. That's some of the best tips I can give you for retail and online arbitrage. Like I said, you will look to be growing this business further down the road, but keeping it simple. I hope this video has helped you. Like I said, go in and watch these 2 videos here for further details. These are the videos that will complement this video and will help you understand this whole process. In the next video is our final video of the series, and we're going to be talking about bookkeeping, the things you need to understand when your product starts selling, what you need to do, the implications of all of that. That will be in the next video, and I hope to see you all there. Thank you very much, and again, for all the deal hunters, I'll catch you in the group.